I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you love to paint, or you have a child that loves to paint, or if you're a teacher with kids that love to paint, there's just so many uses for these little art trays from Cedilis. So I love that it comes in a pack of 50 because they're gonna last you a long time. If you have a lot of kids, you can spread the wealth, and they're also really nice quality. The plastic material it's made out of is really nice because once your paint dries in here, it's kind of easy to just peel it right off and to clean up. So it is nice, small and compact, so it's not going to take up your whole workspace, but it does have 6 wells, which is very convenient because you have plenty of space for your different paints and you have plenty of space to mix your colors. So if you're in the market for some art palettes, definitely check out Cedilis because these little art trays are so convenient. You're gonna love them, your kids are gonna love them, and that's my point of view.